That's when the swamp monster lunges from the lagoon and takes them all in.
Right, I've got one. Who's heard the tale of the code officer? It was a quiet, sunny afternoon. All was calm in the neighborhood. Sally was enjoying the outside, grabbing her mail. Until she saw something out of the corner of her eye. She heard the revving of the truck, saw the orange hazard lights flashing. That's when she realized she had left her trash cans out for more than 12 hours after trash day. She rushed to the cans, tried to fix her mistake. By that time, the code officer had arrived. He reached for his sight book and...
Hey guys, did somebody say code compliance? Guys, I promise code officers are not that scary. In reality, we're just people hired by the city to promote the public education, help properties and businesses stay in compliance.
You gonna arrest me for my garbage containers?
repossess my home because my grass is too long?
I heard you get a warrant to break down my front door and shut down my exotic dog waxing business.
Dog waxing? No, guys. Code officers are here to educate the public. It's our goal to achieve voluntary compliance without the need of escalated enforcement or citations. We want to help keep the community safe and help improve property values. Look, if we receive a complaint on your property, we'll stop by with a courtesy notice, provide education on the violated code.
Well, what if I can't fix the issue in time?
You can always file an extension request here at City Hall, and we can always work with you on a time frame, or at least point you in the right direction of getting your underground dog waxing business permitted.
What if we notice a code being violated? Like Ted over here keeping his holiday lights up in July.
You know I'm a festive person.
Have a complaint? Submit a request with the My Cathedral City app, call City Hall, or submit the complaint in person with a code officer or City Hall staff member.
I guess code officers aren't that scary after all.
Really sucks that our camping trip got canceled.
Why didn't they even meet at City Hall?
I think it's for the vibes.
And I didn't want to say anything, but this is definitely not up to code. Section 11.44.060 to be exact. Visit cathedralcity.gov to find out more about how you can stay up to code.